What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Wes, back at you another video. Today I'm going to show you how to cartoonize your images for free using SocialBook IO. With that being said, let's get it cracking. So now, say if you don't want to wait for anybody or any artist that you know to cartoonize your images, you don't want to pay nobody, or let's just say you are crunched for time and you have to upload this thumbnail maybe in the next few minutes and you behind schedule. The boy West and SocialBook got you covered. So I'm gonna show you how to use this feature on SocialBook. It's very simple. So obviously you go to SocialBook IO, you log into SocialBook IO, you scroll down to where it says Cartoonize. You click Cartoonize, this page will load up. It will say convert image to cartoon, online free, SocialBook photo cartoonizer. Convert your photo to cartoon in one simple click. This is very true. So all you have to do is either, if you got an image on your computer, you click this where it says drop or click to upload image. And keep in mind, your image can only be no more. It can't be no more than 5 megabytes. Remember, your image cannot be any more than 5 megabytes or it's not going to load. You're going to get error, or it's just not going to load. Or if you don't have any images on your computer, you can upload it from a URL that you have it stored on. So say if you have it on a website that you made, or maybe I believe even places like Facebook, maybe even Instagram, all those different places. If you have an image on there that's not over 5 megabytes, then you could just insert the URL and you're good to go. But for me, I have my image on the computer. I'm going to use upload image. So just click it. Just click the upload image area. Then you'll see a bunch of images. I'm going to click this image. I'm going to click this. That looks pretty good, right? I like this image. Pretty cool. But anyway, now after you upload your image, it's going to show you a selection of different styles to choose from. The styles I like the most is probably style 6 and 7. Choose whatever style you guys and girls like, but I'm gonna choose 7. I'm gonna choose 6 and see how it turns out. After you choose the style you want, make sure it's highlighted. It has the blue box around it indicating that it's highlighted. Then you gotta enter the code that they give you. The code is just enter the code. If you mess up the code, it's all good. Just keep trying. You should get it eventually. You put in the code, then wait for it to load. You put in the code, wait for it to load. Anyway, you put in the code, wait for it to load. It shouldn't take that long to load. Then you're gonna get your image cartoonized. Yep. And there you have it. Images cartoonized, just that simple. This whole procedure took maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. It'll probably be even quicker for you guys and girls at home. It's free. You don't gotta rely on nobody, and it's not like it's stuck on this website. You can actually download this and store it on your computer. So just click the download button, and boom, it's stored on your computer for whenever you need to use it. Like I said, it's free. So people, do not pass this opportunity. Go on SocialBook IO. Use this feature. It's a cool feature to have. That's all I gotta say. This is your boy Wes, and I hope this tutorial helped you people at home. I'm out of here. Peace.